Hey guys, today we will be learning about dictionaries. Last lecture we learned about tuple and list. Dictionary is also similar to list in many ways. So I have taken an example of dictionary. So dictionary start with an curly braces, very important, and it has key values 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's check that D is of which type. So I will ask Python the type of D. And Python speaks that it is of dict type. Dict meaning dictionary. So let's see some operations that we can perform on dictionaries. So first, this 1, 2, 3, 4, they are the key values. In dictionary, the difference between list and tuple is that dictionaries we have key values which are number. They are primitive data types. Numbers are primitive data types, and this 1, 2, 3, 4 are key values. So if I print D1, then it will give me answer John, right? And if I put over 0 over here, then it will give me an error. See, it is giving key error. Since key error is given, why? Because key 0 is not defined over here, so you cannot use 0 as index, since indexing is not there over here. Over here there are key values which we use. So I will have some examples. First name is plus, since this is a string and this is a string, it will be concatenated. So D1, control F5. First name is John. Over here D1 will be replaced by John and it will be concatenated. Similarly, we can take one more example. Second name is, and concatenate it with D2, control F5, and we get the same output, similar output as above. Then we can print dictionary also by simply speaking D, control F5, and over here we get the dictionary. If I want only the key values like 1, 2, 3, 4, what are the key value of this dictionary, then we will print D dot keys. D, yes, it is giving me dict keys as 1, 2, 3, 4. D dot values. These round brackets are like, these values are like functions. So this round brackets specify this values function is called, and this values function will give me the values of these keys 1, 2, 3, 4. So any values of keys, it will give me all the values of this D dictionary. So if I do control F5, then it will call function values and return me all the values of the dictionary. Then let's perform slicing as we did in list and tuple. So D square bracket 0, 2, and what will happen? It will give us an error. Let's see. Yes, see, it will give us an error since dictionaries cannot be sliced. So I am commenting this line. Guys, let's see that dictionaries can be modified too. So we will take an example of modification of dictionary. So D2 is equal to hello. I will print hello, and then I will print D, control F5. See, over here 2 is made hello. So now let's see some definitions of dictionary. Dictionary is an ordered set of key values, pair of items. So it is an ordered set of key value and pair. So over here keys are 1, 2, 3, 4, and values are John, Jack, Jimmy, Joy. You can even initialize key as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it is primitive and they can be numbers only. It is like an associative array. Each key stores a specific value. Associative array means values are stored and accessed using keys, meaning any value if you want to access in the array, then it can be only with the key. There is no index accessing in associative array. And when we talk about our normal arrays, they are accessed using index. So it is like an associative array. Each key stores a specific value. Key can hold any primitive data type, that is numbers, whereas value is an arbitrary Python object. Object means anything that is 3D entity or 3D object, for example pen, book, anything that is object. So in Python, dictionaries are also called as object. Object we will be further learning in detail, so don't worry, just remember it is any 3D thing. So dictionary is an ordered set of key value pairs of items, and it should be starting with a curly braces, and they are separated with comma, and very important, you have to mention the keys. So thank you. I will see you in next video.